Zillow or Renton. And so if you go out to Renton, you want to stay ideally within a 1 mile radius. So you have the address here, you can go out within 1 mile. Ideally you want to be within the neighborhood, but if you don't have that, go out to that mile radius. The other thing that we're looking for the comparables is a similar type of layout. So for this house we have one level. Well, let's start with the one level.
Okay.
Right, one level we have, so we're going to look for comparables that are also one level. If this was a split level, meaning you go in, you go up and down, we're going to look for similar split levels in those comparables, right? And the next one was size. Size is also a very big piece in those comparables.
Square footage of the house.
Right, and you're going to be, somewhat close to that. So if it's a 1,500 square foot house that you have,
it's hard to go over all the nuances of the ARV in a short video, but basically you're just trying to compare your house to other houses that are similar.